Wow, look at that shield.
Little itty bitty Ifrit.
Aw, so cute.
Poison is nasty.
Get in.
Crotch.
Painting?
Ew.
It's a bad pattern.
I know we call it bad pattern, but I actually like that one better.
Pattern, yeah.
Yeah, but I can move into position as a tank faster.
Not everyone is main tank here.
Yeah.
Not my own personal view. I'm not saying anybody's wrong.
Okay, let's make sure we get the crystal.
4.
4.
I think.
Oh.
Yeah, that was a little weird. I think you pulled a little early.
I waited until Venomous Mass.
I got Jay.
I was like, that is a
But you got hit by the
Puddle of
venomous
goo.
mass.
I know, I don't know.
Swallow.
It
Away?
just landed in the wrong spot.
Away first?
oh no.
Healing, 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 healing.
In the middle.
Oh.
A little bit off
Left
up
to
here.
side.
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh shit.
Got this next part.
Front
Yeah,
first.
no, that was
Get
me. I
behind.
ran away.
I have no swift.
I got him. Ow. I'm so backwards.
Okay, just practice zigzag, or, I mean, circle.
Mid
Oh.
circle.
Get it.
Alright,
the
go
tunnel.
with you.
Yeah. Don't get across.
They're out.
Oh, jeez. There's a puddle.
Alright, watch for your crystals.
Uh-oh. Oh, I forgot. We go
Back.
that way. That worked.
I adjusted.
Oh,
Right.
stay together.
Partners.
How are you?
E.
Coming to you, Sharon.
Get in.
Kale?
Tail first.
Go first.
It's angle, be careful.
Come on.
I think.
That addle should last for both.
Same as this bubble.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, G, pick the one you go, will follow you.
I'll be a B. Alright, across from B. Across from B. 4. I'm out.
Alright, my group is to this one.
Back in, stand in it. Wait for it, go first.
Oh!
Heal, heal, heal.
Not back, not back.
Not back.
Eh?
Oh.
I'll get Rie.
Not enough HP?
Get away from the tanks.
Away from Rhea. Rhea around.
We're gonna have another
Spread.
healers.
AoE first, looks like.
Spread first.
Way. Oh, fucking
Stay
thing.
together.
Right there. Tail first.
Gale.
I got Coco.
Okay. Come on.
Coco, you can help me,
Got
I think.
20 seconds still in range, it looks like. We're fine. Big shields for this Rie.
Think.
Roger that.
Thinking.
Keep healing. You're just gonna keep casting.
Be rage.
Okay, first.
Oh.
Nice.
Wait, I'm
Nice.
okay, guys!
Good job! Wow!
Done!
All it takes is
Kinda
dropping a
scuffed
tank buster on
too.
my face.
That was so forgiving on DPS.
So,
Nice.
so what happened there, Delph? I looked. I didn't have the proper shirk. I shirked before you provoked, so I took threat back right before that happened. And I just
Interesting.
wasn't watching my threat.
No, it's all good. It was just weird because I was like, wait, why is it what? Because he like did a full like 180.
Yeah, I know. I saw that too, and I'm like, that's weird.
Well, even ACT went tank buster on Rhea, and I was like, wait, that's not right. That's not what you're supposed to say there.
Alright.
Wow.
Earring, necklace. Oh, fuck necklace.
It wasn't 2-shot, it was 1-shot.
Yeah, it was a one shot. This is our first pull.
Easy.
Which sucks because I wanted to do